sauce? It's almost too much.
Yeah, it is too heavy.
Alright. The road uncle from the really?
I'm not going to go alone. Like I said, I'm the guest here, you are the host.
Could you please, yes, just smile for the camera so that we can go.
You know what? A new face like this would do much better than me. Guys, all I can tell you is not just a fresh beginning. I say that it's one of the most significant beginnings what we are going to have. And thanks to you and the entire team here and all the family members here, wishing all of us a fantastic future together. Please come, please come, please come, please come. Please come.
Okay.
Mr. Wang ya, ini Mr. Wang kan office nak putranya. It's a Jeunesse office, Jeunesse office. This is the offices. This is a new display. All skincare, food supplement, healthcare, and haircare. Okay. Kan Miss Batman ada point itu left. Oh em hầu như là tất mình đầu biru về đó. Này thì quay một chiếu cần thiết chụp làm tổng thế. Nằm ở đây thật sự có cần thiết đầu ra đấy đầu như nó gì lên rồi đấy. Quay một số lên đi được rồi.
Today to celebrate this auspicious day. It is a very, very wonderful day for each and every one of us here, especially for the Jeunesse member here in Mizoram, because we have been waiting for this day for such a long time, and it has come to a fruition. We are so happy because here in Jeunesse, dreams do come true, is it not? Yes, we are so happy to have each and every one of you here. Okay, so today we have a very interesting and a very exciting day ahead of us. We're going to have a wonderful speech from our wonderful leaders, and we are also going to experience some wonderful music as well. So it's going to be a very, very wonderful day. So I hope you guys are all excited. Yes, we are. That's great. This is a happy day, so let's not be gloomy. So let's be excited, right? We should be excited. So, okay, we have just officially opened the office at the stock point by Mr. Chandra here. Yes, let's give him a hand for that. Okay. Before we proceed any further, I would like to request Mr. Major K. Rohlupuya for devotion and for dedicating this day. Major K. Rohlupuya, Salvation Army CO. DYS. Hun min man sakturin kan sononga hun hi pathian ngana min man sakturin le kan office te kan kalzer na turte kan malam
Vain Yeshua Christa min chibai ka bu chwa e vai ni amun lom taka limna ne ya hela pathian ne da office te le company te pathian ne na dan na in ko untuk tak hianin nei Vain tu saktakin Zone distributor zone takin minan soma kalong he maya Vain hian undum lo ma hian hun re tak ero chu kampang lo ma Bible chang han sia tu te kan yong ma ta chone bizong chung ha kalo ru pan lak lo deu sia bizong chung kan tikang ma yang Sumia chuan ei Bible chaman siya masakat loma. Tatun Vain yang chen chu ring san te po kan ni mai kaya mase in kimai mal som na blessing ni chu tu tan po ya nu ni athai ve ka ni chu wang chen ai ga ni ring san te po ya ni exam ni mo mal som na don te po ya ni trong trai ni state po le mo kan nom te po ya min so ti la chu wang chen Vain yang ga ni Christian rin dan le ya kan ni na ka Antara bukan terurin kan siap. Sama menurut saya seperti percaya suang. Lalpan ini sablau suang seperti suang untuk bintuan. Maili. Lalpan kau punya kontak lau suang. Aveng tu cuma kawan. Maili. Helayan. Vain yang helayan first pick up center. Liin kerja. Tasnya dingin lama. Distributor naik yang lain berdekat fangan musim ya jantung. Alo mengkatiya. Julai chun kovelian mason zela chumia chun he company duong tekina Mizoram first pick up center Thar kam nei hi avalo ben ketiari chu Vain yan blal pa man somna ni tikam soiwa ta chun chumal somna kal zela chuam Vain chem chu thok tu test up tekan ne chem chu trian tharon chu te po kan ni mai the apoi mo bera chuam Vain yan chu company chang nuwa chang duang tak khang ngai tola covid issue pandemic kam tuara chumia chon company ten ka chiani kam tiage chumi ni me lai pick up center Thar pe ka ro biro pui ka ti chu chon Vain yan he company pathe ni bala som cha chu asia tin kerege tulai chon international anemo national level po ni sela Vain no thok tu tele en ko tu start the bon Vain yang mi ta na mal som na ya a kong sia tu kam ni hi pa ava poi mo e chube chu Christian hun da chuan kan har sat lai a mal som na kan donin kan sia thi pathian kan rin na chu Vain yang lalpan khopuya von lo chu ven tu jun mek thon mai Vain ya po yang he ko puni bom ta ka hi lalpa mi hriat tam tak te ka te a chen chu hriat lo te ba han ni mai the ai nga po chu ni se Vain yan lalpa kam zui lalpa kan win chan tat chuang amal som ne ka dong se lang ti kering ni kan win phak ba ka kan win phak ba ai sai kam thin rum du zong ni su pek se ni kan oma chu ma chu Vain ya big tikin kam te zo fa te he company ya in chia tu ta rom tel ve ta hi chanek mai chu le suali la he kan ram si te zo fa te pera ma hiam ge ni har sa sok te tikang zo ki sok te pon he company mal so tam tak dong se na te he Vain ka tu sam le ka chung trai na ni kam sei do ni chu ba cha Vain yan he office lo ni do ni distributor ya ni arua ka ni ka she mun pia Meron biak che kan mak tak mai chu. Pathian in rem ro chu fel vel vek thina ni. Dil tu ka ma khan an om thoi. Apo ta helai khan lai chu ka tiang che ro na chu. Phok khau kan ni mai. Chu na chu koi ya helai lu mai thei. Temple Square again first pick up center kan nei mai thei ti lal pa rem ro thi. So it doesn't say to come to Ato ka say you chi. When the yellow pan ko pe bon chon lo chuan ven tu din thok rim thon mai. When the yam kan win dan le kan ngai tu la ma eng ki ma kan ai zon ko kan company pon isala. Chu ya chon lal pa tel ve na kuna chuan lal pa mal so na sia chi nong chi nei. Chu wa chan when ya he ke ni ko so ni lal pa rim chanin e company yan mal so ma tam ta ka don the tu na tam chanin ma king chan lal pa rim chanin ni la se la o lal pa kan sa ta la tharin mal so se from ta kan lenge. Lapa kan pathian in mai tu. Với này không phải là đúng đặt mình mục tiêu. Số đó mà ngã không xin xét là phải không đúng đặt mình bị à. Với này nhân Thar Pick Up Center office của tám đúng đặt mình hôm thấy à nơi đi bị à. Với này nhân bị tất cả official còn nó không thể mình đua mình saka. Office kan lu don me ka hian he office te chu om song ti lam pa iro pu na tu na ta ni ne na ta ni che he office na in mal som la ka mai la ka te electric short chia te ta tam ta kom li ni thil tam ta ko me chu song la ka chon lam pa hum thi mang che. Với nhà nhà là chú ngã học tu song thế bộ thà rau thiên nghiêm bùn khát tin bộ la lát pa hệ company chăng duang ta cầu thế tu ta lát pa min ven hình sắc la bao linh song sang che amo put tu song thế lát pa với nhà hiền nang in mal linh song la abi tekin với nhà hiền nang ma ring tu kam ni na nga kan bul vel mi ten lát pa hết đi ông bắt thiên khai áo ôm nó giống như ba nè na ta nó ôm bằng khan gan bul về là mi te po hiang nang ma ring tu gan đi na hi an lo chia cho lo chia te tu ta với nhà hết đi công ty huang chu ông song te po hi nang in mal min som la min ông cực nông cái cái gì với nhà hin lam ta gan bắt thiên có về Jang Shia Bangin was a talk China. Sundona Covella International National Level One Atlantic Casabua, what a way a company connecting to Chang Gonzella. When a clerk said they never had a bottom in whom him la, I talk to the poor him, Takatoka. When a hen here who wants to Tangian, you must on the meet and a low cheer to end the town, running won't show up in the chair. Robin that soy mo na song plan swing. Ine na lang pa isu at pinagami ng dilatse. Amen.
Major get over here. Good luck saying that. We will ask Mr. PC Mintuanga to give us our welcome speech. Everyone. Today is memorable day for us. Actually, last night I have to prepare some slides for baby, and I have to prepare my speech. So, I know that I will be trembling today, not because of fear, but because of excitement. So I actually have to write down everything here. I may look like I'm reading it, but it's coming out from the bottom of my heart. And okay, this is the moment that we've all waited for. All been waiting for a long time. And this day, 22nd February 2022, it's not only going to be remembered as the day where there are you count from the beginning and from the end. It's similar. but for us, it will be remembered as the day of joy and happiness. For us, especially Jeunesse family, and the day we mark ourselves in the history of Jeunesse Global. In the flying, Jeunesse distributor, and make the Jeunesse distributor, first of all, I would like to give thanks to the Almighty God who has guided us and who has been with us, who showered His blessings upon us. Praise be to God. I would like to extend my warm welcome to our lovely corporate leaders, Chandra Sir, Varun, Nirupma, Anupama, Sam, and Chawang, who has traveled all the way from all across the country to our hometown to celebrate our joy and happiness. We also remember Vipul and Shanawas who could not be here with us today, but I sincerely believe that they are here with us in their heart, and we wish Vipul to get well soon. Well, I thank you guys from the very bottom of my heart, and I can't even express my gratitude and respect for you guys. All of you has been so great to us, and the things that you have done for us means a lot to me and to all of us. We understand that you simply do not want to do your job, get things done, and get your salary, but you have the mindset of a true leader. We can see that you want to change lives and empower others, which is exactly the mission of this company, Jeunesse. Having an office or a stock point here in Mizoram was like was like reaching out for something which you may never have. It was like a hopeless dream for us until you guys came in. I still cannot wholly believe it is actually happening today. And Chandra Sir, you are amazing. You know, we have asked for this stock point or an office here in Mizoram for around 5 years already. It did not happen within those 5 years, but you came in, and just within 3 months, we have our own office here. You are amazing. We love you. And same to all of the other corporate leaders, we appreciate what you have done for us, and we may never be able to repay you back. But remember, we love you all, and we will never forget what you have done for us. We also believe that this is just the beginning, and there are lots to come in the near future, and we will work hard, hand in hand, until each and every one of us reach the pinnacle of success. Thank you so much. And okay, so bring on so you really kan som na te ngai pui mo in devotion min on man 3 to ra non come to get we are TYS and